On a busy outdoor shoot, a bright cafe backdrop hides a stray dog weaving between actors and camera crews. The director yells action, yet a squeaky chair steals the scene, sending everyone into contagious, amused laughter. A rogue lens cap ducks away, chased by a crew member who trips softly over a cable, blushes, and recovers. A portable light tilts dramatically, creating a sunset halo, while actors improvise a dramatic pause that dissolves into chuckles. In the end, the blooper reel earns more views, proving mistakes can shine brighter than flawless takes.